Because actually there are n number of verbs. And without any reason, they are trifurcated into these categories, which are accusative, dative and wechsel. But the question is, do we actually have to learn it? Or is there any trick that could help us identifying that which verb belongs to which category? The other category of verbs is as per its case. We have three kinds of verbs as per cases, and that are, as a student starts to learn German language, these are the most terrified things for him. As in, he could not understand which verb is accusative, which verb is dative, and which verb is wechsel. Because actually there are n number of verbs. And without any reason, they are trifurcated into these categories, which are accusative, dative, and wechsel. And if you'll ask somebody, how would I know if this verb is accusative, if this verb is dative? They would provide you a list and they would ask you to learn it. That okay, you could learn it and you could identify then after learning which verb is dative, which verb is wechsel, which verb is accusative. But the question is, do we actually have to learn it? Or is there any trick that could help us identifying that which verb belongs to which category? So let's take two examples of each first. Under accusative, I have written two examples, machen and kochen. Machen is to do, kochen is to cook. Under dative, I have taken two examples, helfen and gratulieren. Helfen is to help, gratulieren is to congratulate, to say congratulations. Wechsel verbs, kaufen is to buy and geben is to give. Okay, let's see. Can you just observe these verbs and understand why machen is under accusative? Or why helfen? What is there in helfen that it has come under dative? And what is there under geben or kaufen? What are the qualities that it possesses that it is under wechsel verb? There is this one trick, which is TAPD, tapped, which says things, accusative, people, dative. Say it again. Tapped. TAPD, tapped. Things, accusative, people, dative. Okay, now this is the only thing that you have to understand. See helfen. If I make any sentence with helfen, I would say, I help my student. I help my brother. She is helping the old lady. What is helfen doing? With helfen, we are actually addressing a person. Correct? Gratulieren as well. Gratulieren is to congratulate. I congratulate my child. Students congratulated their teacher. I congratulated my husband. So, congratulation is also addressing a person. Correct? And that is the quality why these verbs are written under dative. Similar way with accusative, machen is to do. I am doing my homework. I can't address a person with machen. I am not doing my student. I can't say that. Similarly with kochen, kochen is to cook. I am cooking food. I am cooking dinner. I am cooking breakfast. I can't cook my brother. I can't do so, no. I cannot address, with kochen, I cannot address a person. So, that is TA, things, accusative, people, dative. The next thing is wechsel. Wechsel, as the name suggests, it is change. So, a change will be there. Nothing is permanent here. As in dative, we can only address a person, and in accusative, we can only address things. Wechsel is a thing wherein we could address a person as well and a thing as well. See how? Kaufen, to buy. I buy my mother a car. I could address a person as well, and I could address with kaufen a thing as well. Geben, to give. I give my brother a ball. You understand? With geben, I am addressing a person as well and a thing as well. So that is the trick, how you will get to know which verb is dative, which verb is accusative, which verb is vexel. So we need not learn the verbs then. See, as I said, this is a trick, not a formula that could apply anywhere. So, learning part is still there, but with this trick, if you keep this trick in mind, it will be really easier for you to learn which verb falls into which category.